Discovering the rich culture of French food. Bonjour everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you on a journey through the rich culinary culture of France. French food is renowned all around the world for its elegance, flavor, and complexity. From the exquisite desserts to the savory meats, French cuisine has something for everyone. So, let's get started and see how to uncover the secrets of French food. Before we dive into the specific dishes, let's take a brief look at the overarching themes of French cuisine. French food is heavily influenced by regional ingredients, with each region having its own specialties. The use of fresh, high-quality ingredients is also essential in French cooking. Additionally, French cuisine is known for its rich sauces, elaborate presentation, and the emphasis on technique and skill in the kitchen. Now, let's explore some of the most iconic French dishes, and let's start with one of the most popular French dishes, coq au vin. This classic dish is made with chicken cooked in red wine and served with mushrooms and pearl onions. This showcases the rich, dark sauce and the perfectly cooked chicken that makes your mouth water. Next, let's look at a classic French dessert, crème brûlée. This visuals highlight the beautiful caramelized sugar topping and the creamy custard base that melts in your mouth. The captions provide us with the recipe and the history of the dish, making it an informative and immersive experience. Finally, we can't talk about French food without mentioning cheese. This showcases a variety of French cheeses, from Brie to Camembert to Roquefort. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the rich culinary culture of France. We hope you enjoyed information provided by this wonderful platform. French food is truly a delight for the senses, and we encourage you to try making some of these dishes at home. Bon appétit!